Hi everyone, welcome to DT's premiere where technical drawing is made simple. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to support the channel and help reach more students. Let's begin. For this video, we will be drawing a triangle given all three sides. So the first triangle is going to be side, 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 and the measurements are as follows. So AB will be equal to 5 centimeter, BC will be equal to 5 centimeter, and AC will also be equal to 5 centimeters. Based on the fact that all sides are the same, we can say that this is an equilateral triangle. Alright, so to construct that, we need to get our ruler and draw a 5 centimeter line. Use light lines first and we'll darken when we are finished. So AB, 5 centimeter. Now using our compass, there are two different ways we can do this. One, we can place the compass point at 0 on the ruler and open to 5 centimeters. Then we would place our compass point at A, scribe, compass point at B, and then scribe again. This would complete our triangle and we would have a triangle with all the sides having the same length. Or we can just open to the line AB because it is already 5 centimeters and use that as well. I do hope you understand that. So scribe the first arc, and then on the other side at B, we scribe the second arc. Where they meet, this is now C. So our triangle is called ABC. Get your ruler and your pencil and connect A to C and B to C. So with that now we got AB 5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, and BC, which is this to this, 5 centimeter. So we would now label. So 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeters. Alright, then we'll darken the important lines using the ruler and the pencil. And the important lines would be all the lines of the triangle and all the sides, except for the compass marks. If these compass marks or arcs are not present when you are doing a SSS triangle, which means side, 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 given all three sides, then the assumption is that your triangle was not constructed. Let us now try another side, side, side triangle or triangle given all three sides. So let AB be 6 centimeters. BC 7 centimeters, and then AC, let us make that one 4 centimeters. All right. Right away, we can identify what type of triangle this is. This is a scaling triangle because all the sides are different. All right. So let us go now. I'm going to first draw my 6 centimeter line, which is my a B line using a light line. Then I'm going to label A, B. Then using my compass and my ruler, I need to get side BC. So we get this already. Let's do BC now. Place your compass point at 0, open to 7. All right. Place your point at A. All right, let me fix that because my compass shifted. So 7. Keep the compass there. Place your point at A. Now, I want you to recognize something. The question did not ask for AC 7. It asks for BC. Alright? Which means that this compass point should be placed at B. So even though it is the norm for us to start at A, we are doing what the question is asking for, which is B, C. So scribe an arc. After we have done that, we are going to find AC, which is 4 centimeters. So let's place our compass point at 0 and open to 4. Keep that radius. Now the question is asking for A, C. We do not know where C is, so we cannot place a compass point at C. We have to place it at A. Then now we're going to do what we did previously, which is to cut the previous arc. Where we cut that previous arc, this is now our AC and BC. All right, so let us draw a line here and here. And let us darken the important lines, which is AC, BC, and AB. As soon as you have finished that, label the sides. So AB is 6 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters, and AC is also 4 centimeters. Now we have completed this triangle, and the topic is drawing a triangle given 3 sides. Now it is time for you to try one on your own. So let me give you some measurements so you can practice. So AB 6 centimeters, BC 4.5 centimeters, and AC 8 centimeters. Try that on your own. Have a good one.